Hi guys, we're here in Sonoma and we have a beautiful day, and I decided to start a fire. We have it right there, it's pretty hot, and I'm gonna cook some mussels. So I have all my ingredients, some really cool fresh mussels, some diced tomatoes, garlic, parsley, white wine, salt, pepper, olive oil. That's pretty much all you need. So I'm gonna throw a pan in the fire, get it really hot, and we're gonna cook some delicious mussels. Okay, so we got the pan on the fire. We're gonna get this pan really hot, it's smoking hot. Then we're gonna put some olive oil and we're gonna throw the mussels. This dish is not gonna take any time because we don't want to overcook these mussels. We want to just pretty much blast it with heat through all our ingredients, and boom, ready. So it's really nice because you can have a really cool dish done it in no time. So finally our pan is like super hot. I already got the oil on it, and it's time to add the mussels. So you see all the steam start to come out immediately, and almost at the same time you want to add the garlic, because you want to get some the garlic to fry a little bit and add some of those oils and make those flavors come out. Also, I have this very good herb butter that's gonna make help make a little sauce for mussels, and at the same time we're gonna start adding our tomatoes and diced red bell peppers. So we start working our sauce, because remember, this is gonna take maybe 3 to 5 minutes to cook. You don't want to overcook these mussels, so just move it around, and the last touch pretty much will be add like a cup of white wine, and just keep moving. Make sure all those mussels start to open, and add a little parsley, fresh diced parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and that will be pretty much it on this dish. Is done basically. Okay guys, so this is a little better picture of what happened on the fire. So I totally recommend for you guys to do this at home, because it takes no time. It's super delicious. You only need tomatoes, pretty much all the ingredients that you have at home, and everybody's gonna enjoy it. And it looks like it's a lot, but it's not. You just go through all this like in no time. Thank you for watching, and support my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll keep uploading videos. So I see you guys next.